A new dawn. Introducing the iPhone 16e. Apple has just announced the iPhone 16e, a new smartphone aimed squarely at existing Apple users. This latest model is designed to seamlessly integrate into the lives of those who are already familiar with the Apple ecosystem. This phone is not about flashy new features. Instead, it focuses on significant improvements where it matters most: battery life, performance, and efficiency. With a more powerful processor and optimized software, the iPhone 16e ensures a smoother and faster user experience. The iPhone 16e might be the perfect upgrade for those clinging to their older iPhones. If you've been hesitant to switch, this model offers compelling reasons to finally make the leap. It offers a compelling reason to finally make the switch. The unboxing experience alone is designed to delight, with every detail meticulously crafted to enhance user satisfaction. This release marks a shift in Apple's strategy. The company is focusing more on refining existing technologies rather than introducing radical changes. The iPhone 16e replaces the iPhone SE line. This change signifies Apple's move towards a more unified product lineup. That line was known for affordability. The SE was a favorite among budget-conscious consumers. The 16e, however, focuses on delivering a premium experience. It combines high-end design with top-tier performance, making it a desirable option for discerning users. This phone is for those already invested in the Apple ecosystem. It promises seamless integration with other Apple devices, ensuring a cohesive and efficient user experience. Power and efficiency, the battery and modem revolution. One of the most significant upgrades in the iPhone 16e is its battery life, which has been a major focus for Apple. Apple claims this is the longest-lasting 6.1-inch iPhone ever, setting a new standard. They boast an impressive 6 hours increase over the iPhone 11, which is quite remarkable. This means you can browse the web, watch videos, and play games for much longer without worrying about running out of juice. Power efficiency goes beyond just the battery. The iPhone 16e introduces Apple's first custom-designed modem, the C1, which is a game-changer. This modem is engineered for optimal power consumption, enhancing overall efficiency. This optimization results in even longer battery life and improved network performance, making the iPhone 16e a standout device. Performance boost. The A18 chip advantage. Don't let the E fool you. The iPhone 16e is no slouch in the performance department. It's designed to handle everything from everyday tasks to intensive applications with ease. It boasts the latest A18 chip, a significant leap from the A13 found in the iPhone 11. This upgrade ensures that users experience a noticeable improvement in speed and efficiency. This new chip boasts an 80% faster CPU, making every task feel snappy and responsive. Whether you're multitasking or gaming, the A18 chip handles it all seamlessly. The A18 chip also includes a 6 times faster neural engine, which significantly enhances the device's capabilities. This engine is the heart of machine learning, enabling smarter and more efficient processing. This means faster app launches, quicker image processing, and enhanced augmented reality experiences. The A18 chip ensures that every interaction with your device is smooth and instantaneous. The iPhone 16e delivers a smooth, powerful performance that will satisfy even the most demanding users. It's a device built for the future, ready to tackle any challenge you throw at it. Targeting the Apple ecosystem, a strategic upgrade. Apple's marketing strategy for the iPhone 16e is clear: entice existing users to upgrade. By focusing on the needs and desires of their current customer base, Apple aims to make the transition to the new model as seamless and appealing as possible. Comparing it to the 6-year-old iPhone 11 highlights the massive leap in technology. The advancements in camera quality, processing speed, and battery life are just a few of the many improvements that make the iPhone 16e stand out. Apple knows many users are holding on to their older devices. These users are often looking for a significant reason to upgrade, and the iPhone 16e provides just that. They are counting on these users being impressed by the 16e's advancements. The new features and enhancements are designed to catch the eye and make a compelling case for upgrading. The iPhone 16e seamlessly integrates with Apple's ecosystem. This means that users can enjoy a more connected and efficient experience across all their Apple devices. This includes Apple Music, iCloud, and the App Store. These services work together to provide a cohesive and user-friendly experience. This strategy makes the 16E a compelling upgrade for those seeking the latest technology without breaking the bank. The balance of advanced features and affordability is key to its appeal. It is a smart move by Apple to cater to its loyal customer base. By focusing on their existing users, Apple ensures a strong and dedicated market for the iPhone 16e. The iPhone 16e is a powerful, efficient, and attractive option. Its sleek design and advanced capabilities make it a standout choice in the current smartphone market. It launches on February 28. Mark your calendars and get ready for the next big thing from Apple.